Dewalt DCD785C2 20 volts max lithium-ion compact 1.5 Ah hammer drill. Driver kit comes equipped with advanced technology and innovative features that make it ideal for commercial and residential builders, remodelers, carpenters, woodworkers, electricians, and plumbers. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price. Its extreme durability, performance, and comfort allow users to match the tool to the task at hand, increasing its flexibility for a variety of applications regardless of speed, torque, or power. The hammer drill's high-power, high-efficiency motor delivers 350 unit-watts out of maximum power for superior performance in light and medium drilling applications. A half-inch ratcheting chuck with carbide inserts provides superior bit gripping strength, reducing slippage during high-torque applications, thus providing longer tool life. The hammer drill/driver's 2-speed, 0-600 rpm and 0-2,000 rpm transmission allows users to select the appropriate speed for the job at hand and is up to 30% faster than current hammer drill drivers on the market. The compact hammer drill's design incorporates a slim handle with contoured grip that extends user comfort during long jobs, and Dewalt's engineering and design team adjusted the product footprint and weight allocation for ideal balance and a lightweight feel, making the 3.5-pound tool easy to maneuver in tight areas. The bright built-in LED work light above the trigger has a 20-second delay that improves visibility in dimly lit spaces. Click the link in the video description to see the latest price.